everyone, welcome back to Update. So today I have an exciting role to discuss with you, that is Senior DevOps Engineer at Cognizant. So if you are skilled in automation, cloud infrastructure and as well as CI/CD pipelines, this could be the career step you are looking for. So we are going to discuss all the details about this role. So what is the eligibility criteria, who can apply for this, what are the skills that are required, all the things are discussed in this video. So watch this video till the end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel where you will get the content which is totally related to the job openings, industry openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now coming to the role, that is Senior DevOps role. Let's break it down what it is involved in it. So at Cognizant, you will be working on automating infrastructure with infrastructure as a code tools like Terraform and as well as Ansible. You will be implementing and as well as maintaining the CI/CD pipelines and ensuring the high availability and the performance of the production systems. So you will also be working closely with the development team to put DevOps best practice into their action. Plus, you will be able to mentor the junior team and as well as adding the leadership skills to your resume as well. So now, what are the skills that are required? So to be good fit in this role, you will need to have a strong DevOps fundamentals and as well as solid grasp of LAC tools like Terraform and as well as Ansible, and experience with the CI/CD tools like Jenkins, GitLab CI/CD or Circle CI. It is essential to this role. And cloud platforms like AWS, Azure or GCP should feel like second nature to you. So they are also looking for someone with a containerization experience, specifically Docker and as well as Kubernetes, scripting skills in the Bash, Python or PowerShell, and it's a big plus for your interview. Finally, communication skills are critical since you will be collaborating across the teams as well. Now, why you need to apply for this role? So wondering why this opportunity is worth applying for? As a senior DevOps engineer at Cognizant, you will be a part of forefront of driving the automation and cloud innovation. This role will sharpen your skills in a fast-paced environment, help you to build expertise in top industries tools and as well as strengthen your leadership skills as well. And you will have a chance to do mentor to the teammates, and it is an excellent way to evaluate your DevOps career. I think you have what it takes to the Cognizant next senior DevOps engineer. So this role offers you the chance to a driven force in automation and as well as a cloud infrastructure, an opportunity to grow as a leader and as well as a chance to work with the cutting edge technologies. So to apply for this, the link is there in the description box. You can simply press on it, you will redirect to this page and you can simply press on apply button, you can apply for this role. And that's it for today's video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity.